Good morning. Got up again early this morning, came down to the beach by the lake, and wanted to catch the sunrise because, like I said, the first 45 minutes of the sun rising actually helps to stimulate certain hormones in our brain, in our system, that helps us to be more positive and think clearly throughout the day. And it's just a beautiful feeling to be able to appreciate nature with all its magnificence. Right now the fish are just waking up and they're jumping up behind me in the lake, and the seagulls are waking up, and it's just very peaceful this morning, and I just wanted to share that with you. Hope that's okay.